We are very pleased to give you this little demo of Datama Compare in Core Studio. Datama Compare is a tool that will revolutionize the way you explain performance variations, allowing you to create a waterfall dynamics through community visualization in just a few clicks. For example, if we want to explain a revenue variation from one period to another between two dates, we would say, I wish to comparing dates, explaining a variation in revenue. Datama Compare will break down these dates. You can define what you want to compare. It doesn't necessarily have to be a period. It can also be devices, variants of the A/B test, and Datama Compare will help you visualize this in a very interactive way and delve deeply into the analysis by being able to break down the metrics, meaning, for example, here the revenue. I can break this down into, for example, if I am a website considering traffic, conversion rate, and average basket size, there is a logic that Datama refers to as the market equation. In fact, you will define the different indicators you wish to monitor and how these indicators together compose a main indicator, in this case, revenue, and then you will input this, explaining these variations specifically between the two periods. I had an increase in traffic, I had a decrease in conversion, and this decrease in conversion, all else being equal, explains three case points, so a huge majority of the performance loss that I have. And then Datama will also help you understand which dimension to look at for these variations to find the right driver, the right explanation. You can break it down by country, by device, by channel. Instead of having a large proselytizing table that explains and details the variations for you, Datama will score the dimensions in order of interest. You will find the most interesting dimension here, the countries. In fact, there is a scoring logic of interest by country, by channel, and by device. Datama says to look at it by country because analyzing by country is more interesting than by device. This is because the spines vary significantly. Datama distinguishes what are also called mix effects, for example, an average basket size that decreases not because prices have been lowered, but because more of a certain product has been sold. And Datama automatically generates comments for you, allowing you to control the structure. You can also change the visualization mode, displaying it in the form of a decision tree or capillatrix so that you are more familiar with it. In any case, you have your business review, available immediately in Looker Studio based on the dimensions of the metrics you have already connected to the tool. Any source works, any parameter or calculated field works, and you will get this waterfall dynamics in just a few seconds. You have a tutorial available on the site with plenty of examples of different market equations. It is not limited at all to the e-commerce use case. And then you have quite a few details in our documentation about the settings you can make regarding how Datama Compare performs this comparison. Feel free to ask questions, add comments on this video, and I hope to see you soon on the Datama site. Thank you.